What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Innov 120, and I have these 2.5-inch props on it, tri-blades. These are the Gem Fan 2540 props, and I have this battery on here. This is a 13 milliamp hour battery, 2S, and I think this came from the Bugs 6. And so I just was curious to see if this thing will fly nice with this battery, because it seems like it's really power hungry with these 1106 motors, 8,000 kV, but it's ideal for 2S. The kV is a little high for 3S. It does run 3S, but I'm just curious to see how it works with this.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Let's see if we can fire it up. It's ready. That should be it for our beeping. Maybe not. But there we go. Pretty cool dirt mound there. Sand mound or whatever that is. Let's see if we can take off with this thing. This is a very low C battery, so that's why I'm curious to see what happens. Let's try it. So, seems to like it. I think because of the high capacity of it, it allows it to handle it. Back over here. Don't want to fly over the cars, really. Sun almost blinded me there. Guess it does handle it.